everyone, welcome back. I'm Sarah and we are going to go through July's club dies or club kits. So I'm going to start with the small die of the month, so which is this lovely little penguins. And as I'm going through, we'll go through the cards. So I've made this little box card. It folds flat, goes in a 5x7 envelope. I've used a couple of other dies as well in here, but we'll go through them as I go through the pile. So that's the first one. Then we've got the large die. So you've got the Santa, you've got the little elves, and the tree. So this is what I've made with this one. That's that's the 3D embossing folder on the front. And then when you open it up, you get the tree and obviously all the little characters, and that folds flat and goes into your A2 envelope. Also with the large die, I had to make another suitcase. S for Santa. Obviously we've used some other bits and pieces and I'll go through those again in a minute. But yeah, some of last month's, some of May. The glasses are from the small die of the month for May. So yeah, that's a bit of a mix and match. So that's him going on holiday, and that's Santa and his little penguin on holiday. So we've used it in a different way. Not everybody has snow at Christmas, do they? So that's that. Then this one, the embossing folder, this all folds flat and goes in a 6x6. But I've used the little bear, which is the included in the club crate this month. You got that little bear, and then you also get the bow and the candy cane, which is part of the other set for the club crate. You also get a penguin and the little snowman. So the little penguin I've used in there as well, and also the little penguins which are here, that's from that set too. So that's that, and then that obviously moves around. So that's that card. Then we have the press and foil. So if I show you on that one, that's the press and foil, and I also did it on the tree as well on there. So that's that one. You get 3 sentiments with that one, and that's all free. So let the merry begin, make it memorable, and happy holidays. So that's all in that one set. And then we have my favorite, which is this little reindeer. I think he's the cutest. That's the stitching die. So obviously I've used the little snowman again from where's it gone, that set. So that's where the little snowman's come from your gift with the crate. And I just think he's really cute. So all the lights and everything are all included, obviously the stitching die. And then the last one I've made, I've used Hero Art suspenders, and I just thought it looked like a nice Christmas jumper. I put him on a little paper spring so that he stands up, but he will fold flat to go into your A2. Yeah, and I think he's just the cutest one out of all of them this month. So that's that. So that's what I used on that. Then obviously you've got your sentiments and the coordinating dies. You've got the 5-piece stencil, and that's what I used on the front of this card. And then on the last layer I used paste and then just added some glitter over the top. So that's that one. That's your embossing folder. That's a 3D embossing folder. I think this is really nice. I know I'm going to use this one a lot. So that's that one, and I just wiped over with some white Hero Arts unicorn ink. Then you have this one, the 2D, and that's that stitching fill, so it looks like a jumper, and that's what I've used on the background in that card. And then for the Santas, for the umbrella, I've used this one, the summertime vacay. So I used the umbrella and the deck chair, the clouds and the sun on this card here. So it's a bit of a mixture, to be fair, what we've got this month. But I also forgot to say, if there's any that you need a tutorial on, drop me something in the comments, and hopefully I'll get around to doing them for you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. And I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.